Here's Emma Bean. She's climbing and playing. Just ignore me, girl. Just play. She's actually playing on the Lovebirds playground here. She is a crazy chicken nugget. More like a turkey dinner. Finally glad I actually got her playing on video. What you going for, girlfriend? So she is climbing down and back up. What you see? You want a toy? Got a little hat. And of course it goes straight to her foot and she starts playing with it. The lovebirds are just kind of hanging out. Here. Y'all didn't see what was happening. Evie's over here. Hedwig. I got too close. And Ashley. All the other guys. And there BB. Yep, you little squawker. What you want, BB? What you want? Ah! You're always on me. And there's everybody else. Hedwig, Errol, still right there. And Emma Bean. What's up, Emma Bean? You want a head rub? Daddy might give you one later.